The fuck?
Look at the skies around the world.
It's descending at an extremely alarming rate of speed.
Over the United States, Russia, and China, UFOs are being reported in record numbers.
I hope I'm alive when that happens.
What might be actual alien beings caught on camera. This extraordinary video shot by an American researcher in Turkey purportedly shows a hovering extraterrestrial spaceship piloted by ETs known as the Greys. Look closely at the footage. The two aliens appear to be moving around in what might be the craft's cockpit. When the craft came back to the same area 2 days later, its appearance changed. Then, 2 nights later, it hovered again, apparently under one alien pilot's control, lit by the moonlight. And what can explain this enormous disc-shaped craft navigating over our moon? And this gigantic cube positioned on the lunar surface? Both were caught on video by a British videographer named John Leonard Walson using a specially designed telescope he assembled. No matter what the answers are, current mass interest in extraterrestrials clearly is at an all-time high.
The sheer number of websites, blogs, YouTube channels, social media accounts, pages, everything dedicated to UFOs and aliens, I think really speaks to how much we are fascinated with and want to believe in alien lives and UFOs.
And there are also signs that alien presence could be solar system-wide. Take a look at this incredible event, captured by the Solar Dynamics Observatory satellite on March 11, 2012. What is happening to our sun? There appears to be an Earth-sized disk in the corona extracting plasma from the sun's surface. Then, hours later, the dark orb seems to pull away, releasing the plasma filament bands. Many experts are puzzled.
I can't explain what that is, but I can definitely see why aliens may be interested in taking plasma. A lot of these UFOs seem to be encircled by plasma-type energy. So plasma could be a fuel for these aliens. It would make perfect sense if some of these craft are fueled by plasma, that they would go to the sun and actually draw plasma from it to charge their craft.
And what is happening on the moon? Earlier this year, millions of people began poring over this image captured by Google Moon that many major news outlets suggested could be an alien base. Writer Lee Spiegel covered the story for the popular Huffington Post.
Recently, something came to my attention that someone had used a review application, and this person zoomed in closer and closer and came up with an image that's triangular, 2 lines of 7 lights, perfectly spaced between each other, and that those lights are sitting what looks like a black surface, and then immediately below the black surface is a very bright white light. And so the questions started coming up. Is this an extraterrestrial colony? What is this on the moon?
Though some researchers have called this a digital artifact, others still feel it could be an actual lunar construction.
Is it an installation? We really don't know, other than the fact that it has these angles, it has these bright lights, and it really does appear to be man-made in some format.
Perhaps concern over unexplained images like these is prompting governments to investigate. October 1st, 2010. China launches its Chang'e 2 lunar orbiter. Soon, web surfers everywhere are mesmerized by this stunning image.
This particular piece of footage seems to show what looks like an installation, facility, factory maybe, on the surface of the moon. It kind of looks like an aerial photograph of something along the lines of a North Pole installation or outpost. Clear angles, right angles, seeming to show something like an intelligently built structure. The big question is, what is is it? What's it being used for?
The vivid pictures sparked heated debate among believers and skeptics alike.
It was all over the place, all around the world. Not just UFO researchers were reading it and watching it, but actually members of the general public as well, in their millions.
But top lunar researchers soon discovered that the image comes not from the Chinese orbiter, but from the archives of NASA.
It turns out that it's actually a lunar orbiter photograph, so it's actually something NASA took a picture of. The problem is, while it looks really authentic and certainly impressive, and there's no question that if it's a legitimate photo that it's artificial, the reality is that there's no frame number associated with it, so nobody really knows what to go back and check.
Despite the image's original misidentification as coming from the Chinese space program, China's recent landing of a rover on the moon might have sparked a renewed interest in the rovers NASA is currently operating on Mars. April 8, 2014. TV news outlets throughout America began reporting how this puzzling bright light was captured on or beneath the planet Mars by NASA's Curiosity rover. Though some scientists suspect it could be caused by the sun's reflection or cosmic rays, no one knows for sure what the origin is. Then, earlier this year, people pored over this perplexing image that UFO sites suggested was an alien face. It wasn't the first time a face on Mars captured the public attention.
Eleanor.
1976, these pictures taken of NASA's Viking orbiter of a sphinx-like mesa located near huge pyramids in an area called